My name's Brian. I'm an outfitter with Chimney and Masonry Outfitters. And today we're going to talk about what's a certified chimney sweep and why you should hire one.
When you invite a sweep into your home, you're taking them to the place where the people that matter the most gather, the fireplace. You want someone that gives you the peace of mind that they know what they're doing. We're talking about a fire inside of your house. You need assurance that the person looking at your fireplace knows what they're talking about. That person is the certified chimney sweep. A certified chimney sweep is nationally recognized by the Chimney Safety Institute of America. To get certified, the sweep has to pass an independent exam. At CMO, we make this easy for you. When you book us, your outfitter will be CSIA Sweep certified. That's how we offer the peace of mind that the outfitter in your home has the knowledge and integrity to evaluate your chimney. The CMO experience is all about providing the best care possible in the Indianapolis and Nashville areas. Question of the day: who's the certified sweep in your city? Let us know in the comments.
If you're interested in learning more about a certified sweep or you want to become one yourself, make sure you check out the show notes.
We share more content on Facebook and Instagram. Check us out there too. If you're looking to book an appointment, you can reach us on the web at cmoutfitters.com. You can email us at office@cmoutfitters.com too. Lastly, you could just give us a call. Our number is 317-500-1250.